Welcome to the Mr. MewowGhi Show!
Lady that lived next door died, and that night I just staring at me.
Kids just made me wobbly.
I have some questions.
Can anybody find the camouflage cat? Where's my camouflage cat? Where's my camouflage cat? Where is my camouflage cat? Where's the camouflage cat? Can you find the camouflage cat? He's so camouflaged. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Don't take my camera away. Where's my camouflage cat? What you want? What you want? Why you trying to swipe at me? Why are you swiping at me, B? Hey, what you want? What you want? You trying to get on camera? You want to get on? You want to do what? You want to go outside? What you want to do?
I'm not even gonna come over here.
What you want to do, son? What you want to do? Yo, son. What you want to do, son? What you trying to do, Mr. Meowskers? Mr. MewowGhi? Oh, you want a body massage? See, this is what happens when my cat gets spoiled. He wants a body massage, y'all. Check this out. Watch him fall out on the floor. I'm gonna get real good. Here it goes. He wants a neck massage, and when we do this, he falls out. Now, here a little tickles on the back end. Watch this. He gonna swipe at me. Oh God. He's like, get your hand back. He wants a chest massage. Look, he loves that chest massage. So what happens when you spoil cats? Oh God. He's like redirecting my hand. Mr. Meowskers loves massages. You know, he getting ready to go out to beat up some cats, so you need the little boxing hookup, you know what I'm saying? He's like, yo, dude, yo, hook that up before I claw you. You know what I'm saying, son? I think he about like a year old in a month, maybe 5 months. And this is my little badass cat, Mr. MewowGhi. On the Mr. MewowGhi show. Oh God, no. Oh no. No. Why are you attacking me, cat? Huh? Why are you attacking me? I'm just trying to massage you, little punk ass cat. All he do is eat, sleep, and make babies. Oh, that feel good to him. Look at him. Oh yeah. Then I get beat up. High five. High five. Oh, and then he tries to get slick and grab my foot. And he knows the camera's on him. He's showing out. He's showing out for the camera. Yeah, I love my cat though. And when he wants to go outside, his favorite word is aru. See if I can get him to say it. Aru? No, he's saying rub me. Rub me, love me. Oh, he's getting his little scratch on. Little dirty balls.
Like he caught a cramp.
He caught a cat Charlie horse.
Charlie cat.
This badass Mr. MewowGhi and his other owner.
And
he clawed her. And he goes back down to the floor. He likes it rough.
It went straight through my jeans.
She just got kung food. Kung food. Don't worry, Asian people, I love you.
Oh God.
I'm not like Donald dumbass. Okay, you trying to get in my shoe now. See, he gonna try to grab my foot and hurt me. And there it is. See? You know, I'm standing in your bed, punk. What? It's me, Mr. MewowGhi. So what it do, homie? Aru?
You gonna come back? You gonna try to beat me up again?
He's in play mood. But we're not gonna let him out until he eats. So he pretty much hangs out all night, sleeps all day because it's hot. Now when it was cold, he would be out during the daytime and sleep at night. Oh, he's about to go get his food. Good food. Come here. Come give me some love before you go eat. This is my dude. Somebody told me I had him trained like a dog, but he's just really smart. Right, buddy? Right, buddy?
Oh.
Hmm? Hmm? Aru? 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 So pretty much when he wants to go outside, I'm not gonna say nothing, but he's gonna give me the magic word. Aru? So that's his magic word when he wants to go outside. He says Aru. Aru? 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 There it is. Okay, let's go. Let's go. See, he wants to go outside. That's his word. That's the only time he says that. Aru? Aru? There we go. Let's go. I'm gonna walk him downstairs. Little kids like to beat up on him. He slept all day, so he's getting ready to go to his whole night deal. That's a big cat. And he's probably gonna sit down right here. It's kind of like his sitting post. There it is. He does this every day. And he'll look around, look at the people, look at the sky, the birds, whatever. Clean himself. I think he's a Shaltrax, like a Egyptian Sphinx type cat. So he just ate some good old tuna and salmon, and that's what y'all saw him doing. Now he's getting himself together so he can go out. And he's got kittens, by the way, so he's gonna go visit his kids. And there's a bird coming to visit. The bird's checking him out. Probably one of his buddies. And the bird just let him know he was there. So he's looking at the bird. There's a bird. His little tail's flipping. The bird came over to harass him. Probably a bird that's got little babies. And he's out. All right, buddy. I'm out. Have fun. Peace out. All right, he's out for the night. Peace. Yeah, he's out for the night. If it rains, he'll come back in, but I don't think it's gonna rain.